Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create a drop test analysis in Solidworks. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. First, open the Solidworks and I'm going to select File and then New. And here I'm going to select the assembly and then click on OK. And now my assembly environment is created. And I'm going to close this begin assembly option. And I'm going to select this insert components and here I'm going to select the new part such that I'm going to create the new part in the assembly environment itself. Just select this and to edit this click on the edit component. And here I'm going to select the front plane and then click on sketch and go to sketch view and select normal view. And here I'm going to draw a circle. Select the circle and select the center point and I want this diameter as 100. And then give a check mark to it. And now I'm going to draw a line. Select the first point and this point and then use the trim entities command to trim the unwanted entities. And then I'm going to exit from the sketcher tab and go to the features tab and then select the revolve boss command and just select this line. And now my sphere is created and now I'm going to exit this. You can either select this or click on the edit component once again. Currently my path is fixed here. I don't want this to be fixed. For that, right click on it and here I'm going to select the float option. If I select the float option, now my part can be easily moved around the graphics area. And now I'm going to apply the mate connection to it to apply some constraints. Select the mate and I'm going to select the plus icon here and here this front top plane shows the assembly planes and this shows the part planes which is created in the part environment. Just I'm going to select this front plane and this front plane and make a coincident relation and then give a check mark to it. And then select the right plane of the assembly environment and the right plane of the part environment and then give a check mark to it. And I'm not going to make this top plane. I'm going to leave as it is and I'm going to close this one. And now I'm going to open the simulation tab and here I'm going to select the new study. And here it shows the list of analysis which is performed in Solidworks and here I'm going to perform the drop test analysis. So I'm going to select the drop test and then click on OK. And first I have to apply the material. So just select the part from the model tree and right click on it and select the option called apply material to all. And now the Solidworks material library gets opened and you can select the material from the list of options given here. Here for this analysis, I'm going to use the plain carbon steel and then click on apply and then close. And now I'm going to select the setup and right click on it and click on the define or edit option. And here it shows the list of options in the drop test setup. You can perform this analysis by two methods. Either by dropping this ball at a particular height or using the velocity at impact option, thereby creating a velocity, or by entering the velocity of the ball and then dropping it to the ground. And in the height option, you can either drop this ball from the centroid of this sphere or from the lowest point of the sphere, which is this. So for the height value, I'm going to enter 5000 millimeter. And next I have to specify the gravity to it. For that I have to select any point or edge or face or a plane. Here for this one I'm going to select the top plane. And now my gravity is acting upwards but I want to act it in the downward direction. For that I'm going to select the flip direction button and now my gravity is acting downwards. The target orientation is the ground surfaces in which the ball is going to be dropped. Here you have two options, normal to gravity or parallel to the reference plane. And also in the target stiffness box, you can either select this as a rigid target such that there will be no deformation. If I select a flexible target, there will be deformation of the grounded body. And also you can provide any damping value to it by entering some value here. And now I'm going to select a mesh and then click on the create mesh icon to generate a mesh. And then I'm going to select the run command to solve this analysis. And now my analysis gets completed, and now you see that at the bottom the stress value is developed. Let me select the stress value and right click on it and select show, and again right click on it to animate this one. And now you see that how the stress is developed at the bottom side of the ball. So it is dropped at a height of 5000 millimeter and then shows the stress which is developed at the contact of the ball and the ground. You can also view the deformed results by selecting this. You can also animate this deformed results by using the animate tab. Let me right click this one, and now I'm going to explain how to run this analysis using the velocity at impact option. For that, you have to select the top plane. So let me enter a velocity of 250, and also you notice that my velocity is in the upward direction but I want in the downward direction, so use the flip direction to flip this direction. And for the gravity I'm going to select this assembly top plane, and now it is in the fine direction, and now the gravity is also acting in the downward direction, and that's fine. And then I'm going to give a check mark to it, and then I'm going to solve this one. And now my analysis gets completed and the results are displayed. Let me show the displacement value here, and at the top it shows the low stress and at the bottom it shows the high amount of stress value. Let me animate this one to show the better result. So this drop test analysis can be performed with the various material shapes and also with the various material types, and also changing the height from which the object is dropped. So this is how you perform drop test analysis in SolidWorks. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.